Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and I'm sharing with you my new photofolio. It has a lot of tags for journaling. Here you can put a photo, it opens like that. Here's a pocket. And there's a lot of room to place your photos. I made a waterfall here. And that's my favorite spot in this photofolio, a booklet where you can journal or stick the ticket of your journey. I used ivory cardstock and made some stamps. I hope you liked the video and got inspired. See you next time. Bye!